Welcome back to our channel, where we provide you with detailed information on medicines and drugs to help you make informed decisions about your health. In today's video, we're going to talk about Nervmex-SR 75 tablet. Will cover its uses, benefits, side effects, how to use it, and how it works. Let's get started. Manufactured by Alchem Laboratories, Ltd. Nervmex-SR 75 tablet. Uses. Nervmex-SR 75 tablet is used to treat neuropathic pain. That's long-lasting pain caused by nerve damage. It's commonly prescribed for pain linked to diabetes, shingles, or spinal cord injuries. Benefits. This medicine provides relief from chronic nerve pain and its related symptoms, like mood changes, sleep problems, and fatigue. It improves nerve conduction and helps you return to normal daily activities with less pain and more comfort. Side effects. Like all medicines, Nervmex-SR 75 can cause side effects. Common ones include decreased appetite, dizziness, drowsiness, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, constipation, blurred vision, headache, weight gain, and fatigue. Always consult your doctor if any of these symptoms become severe. While effective, CCQ 100 tablet may cause some side effects. Common ones include nausea, vomiting, bloating, and headaches. Some women may also experience irregular bleeding, breast discomfort, or hot flashes. Always consult your doctor if these symptoms persist. How to use. Take Nervmex-SR 75 tablet exactly as prescribed. Swallow it whole. Don't chew, crush, or break the tablet. It can be taken with or without food, but it's best to take it at the same time every day for consistent results. How it works. Nervmex-SR 75 tablet contains two active ingredients, pregabalin and methylcobalamin. Pregabalin reduces pain signals in damaged nerves. Methylcobalamin is a type of vitamin B12 that supports nerve repair by forming myelin, the protective layer around nerve fibers. Together, they help restore nerve function and reduce pain.